Most welding gloves you find on store shelves have thin seams that tear after just 5 minutes of real work. Choosing the wrong pair means painful heat burns and wasted money on constant replacements. Are you tired of sacrificing comfort and protection just to get the job done right? Luckily, our expert team has sorted through dozens of options to find the most durable pairs available. Today, I'm going to be going over the best welding gloves that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the TOPDC Welding Gloves. These protective accessories are designed specifically for professional welders who demand reliable heat resistance during their daily shop tasks. The initial feel suggests a robust construction that caters well to both industrial laborers and enthusiastic weekend hobbyist metal workers. Each glove is crafted from premium-grade leather to ensure long-term durability while providing a soft feel for users. The total length reaches 16 inches to offer extensive forearm coverage against sparks and molten metal droplets while welding. Reinforced stitching lines provide structural integrity across all high-stress areas like the thumb and palm for increased product longevity. An internal cotton lining creates a comfortable barrier that keeps hands cool even during prolonged and intense welding sessions. These gloves possess a heat resistance rating capable of withstanding extreme temperatures reaching up to 932 degrees. The flexible finger design allows for superior dexterity when handling small components or adjusting intricate controls on welding gear. During actual testing, they performed exceptionally well by blocking stray sparks while maintaining a firm grip on heavy tools. Users will appreciate how the sweat-absorbent material prevents slippage even when work environments become hot and quite physically demanding. They feel much more supple than the bulky Lincoln Electric traditional welding mitts, which often restrict fine motor control. The pros include superior heat protection, excellent dexterity, and reinforced durability. The cons include limited color options and initial leather stiffness. At number 4, we have the Caiman 1540-5 Welding Gloves. These gloves are specifically engineered for professional welders who require high levels of dexterity and thermal protection during long shifts. The initial feel offers a surprising level of suppleness that allows for precise control when handling sensitive welding equipment parts. Constructed with premium grain leather, the outer shell ensures superior resistance to heat while maintaining a soft touch for users. The design features a reinforced palm section that significantly extends the lifespan of the material during heavy industrial work cycles. Stitching throughout the entire glove uses heavy-duty thread to prevent fraying when exposed to constant heat and abrasive surfaces. One key technical feature includes a special contoured finger design that maximizes grip and reduces hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. The interior is fully lined with a heat-resistant material that provides comfort without sacrificing the necessary tactile sensitivity for welding. These gloves incorporate an extended gauntlet cuff which protects the forearm from flying sparks and intense ultraviolet light exposure daily. In field testing, the gloves maintain their structural integrity even after exposure to extreme heat from multiple long-duration welds. You will notice that these gloves offer far superior heat dissipation than the standard Miller heavy-duty welding gloves available today. The pros include superior heat resistance, excellent dexterity, and enhanced durability. The cons include higher initial price and limited color options. Ultimately, these gloves are a reliable investment for anyone seeking to improve safety and precision during complex metal fabrication projects. At number 3, we have the Caiman 1540-6. These professional welding gloves are designed specifically for heavy-duty tasks requiring superior protection against extreme heat and sparks. Welders who demand reliability during long shifts in industrial environments will find these gloves to be an essential tool. The construction utilizes high-quality deerskin leather that provides a luxurious feel without compromising the necessary rugged structural integrity. Each glove measures exactly 14 inches in total length to ensure comprehensive coverage for both your hands and wrists. Reinforced stitching throughout the entire chassis ensures that the seams remain intact even when subjected to intense repetitive physical stress. The palm area features a contoured ergonomic design which significantly enhances your overall dexterity while handling complex welding tools today. These gloves incorporate heat-resistant padding that creates a thermal barrier against temperatures reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. An adjustable wrist strap allows you to secure the gloves tightly to prevent any unwanted sparks from entering the interior. During rigorous field testing, the material maintained its flexibility even after being exposed to multiple cycles of high heat exposure. Users will appreciate how quickly the leather breaks in to form a natural shape that conforms perfectly to individual hands. This model outperforms the standard Miller electric welding gloves by offering a much softer leather feel for greater fine control. The pros include superior heat resistance, exceptional leather quality, and enhanced wrist protection. The cons include premium price point and slower drying time. Investing in this pair ensures you receive a balanced combination of comfort and protection for your most demanding metal projects. At number 2, we have the Caiman 1540-4. These heavy-duty welding gloves are specifically crafted for professional welders who demand premium hand protection during intense industrial projects. You will immediately notice the supple leather construction that offers a luxurious feel while maintaining critical heat-resistant barrier properties. The design features a reinforced palm area that ensures long-term durability even when handling extremely rough and jagged materials. Measuring exactly 14 inches in total length, these gloves provide excellent forearm coverage against sparks and molten metal splatter hazards. The internal lining consists of a soft flame-resistant material that wicks away moisture for comfort during long working shifts. High-grade stitching threads are used throughout the entire exterior to prevent seam blowouts under conditions of extreme mechanical stress. These gloves incorporate a unique padded thumb patch which improves overall grip control when you are manipulating heavy welding torches. During field testing, the dexterity remains superior compared to cheaper alternatives because the ergonomic pattern allows for natural finger movement. Users will appreciate how the heat insulation maintains safety without sacrificing the tactile feedback needed for precise and clean welds. This model performs significantly better than the standard Miller heavy-duty gloves regarding the flexibility of the thumb and wrist. The pros include superior heat resistance, excellent manual dexterity, and enhanced sheen durability. The cons include higher retail price and slower initial break-in period. Whether you are performing stick or MIG welding, this equipment offers the reliability required for the most difficult workshop tasks. Investing in this pair of gloves ensures that your hands stay protected while you complete complex projects with complete confidence. At number 1, we have the Caiman 1871-6. These professional welding gloves are designed specifically for heavy industrial applications requiring maximum protection for every skilled expert welder working today. The outer shell consists of premium top-grain deerskin leather which offers an incredibly soft touch while maintaining high heat resistance. Every seam is reinforced with high-strength aramid fiber thread to ensure that the stitching does not rip during rigorous daily use. These gloves measure exactly 14 inches in total length, providing extensive coverage for the forearm against sparks and molten metal droplets. An internal liner made from comfortable cotton absorbs moisture during long shifts while providing an extra barrier against extreme temperature spikes. The patented contour design ensures that your hands remain flexible for precise torch control without sacrificing any essential safety and protection. Integrated heat shielding on the back of the hand deflects intense radiant energy when you operate equipment at very high amperage. Each pair undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure that the leather density remains consistent across the palm and the finger areas. During actual workshop testing, these gloves provided superior dexterity compared to the thicker and much stiffer Miller Electric Classic welding mitts. The pros include extreme heat resistance, excellent finger dexterity, and highly durable stitching. The cons include premium price point and limited availability in stores. Experienced welders will appreciate how these gloves maintain their shape after hours of exposure to intense heat and abrasive metal grinding. Investing in this pair of high-quality safety equipment ensures that your hands stay shielded throughout every single difficult welding project.